We start our next conversation with 3 facts about breast cancer. Breast cancer is the leading cause of cancer in women younger than 50. 1 in 8 women are now being diagnosed with breast cancer, and breast cancer is the leading cause of cancer death for Black and Hispanic women. Joining us in this studio is Crystal Wilson. Crystal is the director of Trident Cancer Center, and we will talk about early detection. Thank you so much for being here, Crystal, as we kick off Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And we see that you are all in pink and ready to have this conversation. Because as we all know, there is power in pink, right?
Yes, there definitely is.
Yeah. So let's talk about some of the factors as it relates to breast cancer. We think of breast cancer, certainly always challenging to think about, but there is some good news as it relates to breast cancer.
Yes. So reporting from the American Cancer Society, the death rate has decreased since 1989 down to 43% of death-related breast cancer patients.
And to what are you attributing this decline in the number of breast cancer deaths?
Patients getting their mammograms for early detections, their screenings.
And now that is good news, that's encouraging news, but we know that that's actually not happening across the board when it comes to all women. What are some differences and disparities when it comes to mortality for breast cancer?
So there's much work to do to improve the outcomes for Black women who are diagnosed with breast cancer, and that's getting them, with the community physicians and making sure that they're aware of all the support that they have out there in the community.
Information always a very important part of people living longer, healthy lives. Early detection is a big part of that, mammograms and screenings as well.
Yes, that is correct. Working with the community to stay connected with the American Cancer Society and make sure that they're aware of these programs that are out there to help them support that.
So in other words, amplifying the message, making sure that as many people know this information, what's available to him, and making all of those resources easily accessible.
Yes, that is correct.
Yeah.
We have to make sure the community is aware of these programs that's out there for them.
You're one of the big sponsors of the Making Strides Against Breast Cancer, but we also know that the Trident Health Systems, you have a lot of options for people when it comes to understanding breast care and early detection. Tell us about some of the resources.
Well, we have, for the month of October, we're having several screening events that we're going to be available to the community, and we're going to be providing after-hour screenings for mammograms. You can go to the Trident website and look for all that information and call the 877 number that's available on that screen. And also, we are going to be having a survivorship on October the 5th at Trident Medical Center, and it's going to be a survivorship and actually a parade we could be providing.
So that's in just a couple of days.
Yes.
And we also want to make sure that people understand what's coming up later this month, something that News 2 is proud to be the media sponsor of. That's the Making Strides Against Breast Cancer Walk. It's happening this year, a slightly different location. It's on October 26th, and it's happening at the Johns Island County Park. We want everyone to be there. We know that Trident is also a very big sponsor of this event. We want everyone to be there, caregivers, supporters, and of course, survivors. We want you to stay right here with us as we continue with more of News 2 at 4 after a quick break.